Hey, today I'm going to be talking about Forex signals and how I blew my account. So when I originally started trading Forex, I knew not even the basics. I knew nothing about it, really. So my friend Miho, my trading partner, he was in a Forex signaling group. He had recommended it to me, and I had a look into it, and I thought, earn while I learn. Very attracted to that, so I immediately joined. Paid for the platinum groups, all the special trading groups that signaling provider provided, and they all cost money. So the platinum group cost about, I think it was 300 USD. The special trading room costed about 150 USD. The copy trading platform costed 100 USD, and then I also bought his course, which was 2,000 USD. All in the end, that added up to about 5,000 AUD, which isn't a lot, I guess. But at the time, I was a uni student. I wasn't really working, so I made it very hard for myself. When I entered this Forex signaling group, I delved deeper into what it could provide me. So I bought his course, which I said was 2,000 USD, which allowed me to have one-on-one conversations with him weekly. But those conversations didn't really bring me any information regarding how I could improve myself. No information regarding why he was taking, the trades during the week. Nothing like that. We'd sort of drift off and talk about personal life. I was very naive, so I did believe this guy would, genuinely care about me and help me, through the start of my trading journey. I opened up a $2,000 copy trading account so he could go away and do his own thing with it. But I could still see the progress. I still had the access to my account. And first week he was trading, he made a bit of profit. And this was amazing because I knew nothing about Forex and I was making money so easily, and I loved it. But later down the track, the second week, it made me about I think it was $100 or $200 profit. He was in a massive drawdown. I think it was 1,400 drawdown. He had removed stop losses, and the account flew like that. So yeah, it's gone good for about a week. Yeah, so right after I had the account blown, I gone on a emotional roller coaster. I was quite depressed, and at the time being at uni, had exams which did not help at all. So I decided to take, 4 months off just to give myself a break, relax. What I quickly learned from this experience was that there was no personal connection with the actual owner of the signals group. There was no, personal profile online. I couldn't see what he looked like. I only heard his voice when I had the interviews. So when you really think of it, there was no trust at all. So going back to me being naive and new to the Forex world, I wouldn't see this as a failure or anything similar to that. I'd see it as a lesson that's been learned. And if you ever think you're failing or you've failed at something, don't think of it as an actual failure. Think of it as think of it as hypothesizing. Anyway, straight after he had blown my copy trading account and 20 others that were connected to the service, he had deleted his profile on on the Telegram group, deleted his signal provider account, and never heard from him again. He went off the radar type thing. And that within those 4 months of taking the break, that got me thinking. I had to immediately pursue my own knowledge, go on my own path, not listen to anyone else, giving me signals, telling me what to do and say. Because in the end, no one's going to really give a fuck about you at all. Maybe immediate family, yeah, they will. So I went into a very deep hole of skill development, trading plan execution, all that sort of stuff. I went off and me, Miho, and Chris, we found our own individual mentors with their own strategies. So right now we're trading 3 different strategies, which I find amazing. We're all a part of different amazing groups that do help us a lot, and we do benefit from them. I've seen it in the past 5 months. Miho, his trading's exploded. He's back testing like an animal. He loves it, and I'm glad. Chris, he's jumping on the bandwagon too now. He has started back testing, and he's loving it. I've started back testing with Chris. We started similar times, and we're loving it. Our trading has improved dramatically. Our mindset, we've been working on our mindset for the past, at the start of this year, actually. At the start of this year, as soon as lockdown hit, we started working on mindset, and it took us on a on a little journey, big spiritual journey actually. Our emotions, left, right, and center, angry, sad. I don't know why, but it just did, and we've learned so much in the past 6 months now. Yeah. So what I want you to take away from this short, personal video is you need to focus on developing your skills. Find what trading style suits you, whether it be swing trading, day trading, or maybe even hybrid trading, which is a combination of swing and day trading. Would I ever trade Forex signals again? Never. How do you learn from not taking responsibility? So meaning, how do you learn from trades you're not executing yourself? How do you learn from that? How do you learn from the mistakes? Even if you're hitting profits, how do you learn? Why did it hit take profit? Why did it hit stop loss? Well, it's all these small things you need to tweak. You need to take time tweaking, back testing each strategy. So learn to take responsibility for yourself and do not blame others, because that's not going to help you. Anyway, that was a short story of mine. It was personal. It was a bit hard to take out because of how emotionally distraught I was. But I'm glad I got it out. There'll be many more videos to come. I'll see you on the next one.